Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer password managers from Chrome to Firefox securely, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Google Chrome on your computer. In the upper right corner, click on the three vertical dots to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings sidebar, click on Autofill. Next, click on Passwords. Here, you will see a list of all your saved passwords. To export these passwords, look for the three vertical dots next to Saved Passwords. Click on this icon and select Export. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation to export. Confirm this action. You may be required to enter your computer's password for security purposes. Once confirmed, choose a location on your computer to save the exported file. The file will be saved in CSV format. Now, close Google Chrome and open Mozilla Firefox. In Firefox, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. From the menu, select Logins and Passwords. In the Logins menu, look for the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Click on this icon and choose Import from a file. A File Explorer window will open. Navigate to the location where you saved the CSV file from Chrome. Select the file and click Open. Firefox will begin importing your passwords. Once the import is complete, you can review your passwords in the Logins and Passwords section. Ensure all your passwords have been transferred correctly. It's important to delete the CSV file after the transfer for security reasons. Right-click on the file and choose Delete, or move it to your recycling bin. Finally, check your Firefox settings to enable autofill for a seamless experience. You have now successfully transferred your password manager from Chrome to Firefox securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.